Hello everybody, in this short screencast video, I'm going to show you how you can use Scala Remote REPL to connect to an already running Play app. I have a sample Play app here. Let's take a look at the code first. In the sample Play app, I have an action called showCache, which takes a key as a parameter and uses that key to look for an entry inside the cache. If the entry is not found, it returns nothing found. Simple enough. Now let's start this Play application. I'm going to start this Play application in production mode using the start command. And now let's test this action endpoint. My Play application is running on localhost 9000, and I'm going to invoke that action right now. It's mapped to a cache / some key, let's say Nalanjan. The key doesn't exist, so it returns nothing found. What I'm going to try to do now is that I'm going to use Scala Remote REPL to connect to this running player and try to add an entry to the cache. And let's see whether that works. I'm going to go back to my other terminal here and start my Scala Remote REPL using SBT. First thing I'm going to do is pass the configuration file, which in my case is my jars.conf, and then use a run command with parameters. The first parameter I'm going to pass is the process ID of this running Play application, which is 5972. Then the host name where the Play application is running, or the remote JVM is running, in my case is localhost, and any available port number. We're going to use this port number to connect to this remote VM. Let's say 9191. Now at this point, Scala REPL is trying to load an agent to a remote VM, as you can see right here, and is waiting for me to make a connection. So let's connect. At this time, we have our Scala Remote REPL connected to this running Play app. Now to add an entry to the cache, first thing you have to do is that import the cache package. Let me copy it from here. And I'm going to use a set method of the cache to add an entry. I'm going to add an entry for Nilanjan by passing, let's say, added from Scala Remote REPL. Oh, it seems it didn't work. It's looking for an implicit application in the scope. We can easily do that by accessing play.current. Play.current points to the current running Play application. Gline also works with the Scala Remote REPL so that I can go back to my history and fire this command again. This time it seems to have worked. Let's verify. So I'm going to reload this page again, and this time it looks like the entry that we have added from Scala Remote REPL is showing up here. And once we are done, we can again quit this REPL by :q, and it will detach the agent from the remote VM.